I wanted it to be a health walk. Sugar is such a demon.
12,000 रुपए फूक के आए.
Guys, for finance tips, come to me.
My skin is really skinning. Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another episode of Hustle with Sar, where you and I, we hustle together. I've woken up a little late this morning because I slept late and I really need my 7 hours of sleep. Okay, that's one place I'm not willing to compromise. अभी मैं इतना frequently post नहीं करती हूँ और मैं कर ही नहीं पाती हूँ क्योंकि the only explanation for that is that my life is not as fun and exciting. And I think when I was looking at my previous vlogs, I was like, why am I not able to deliver exciting vlogs as often as I used to before? Is because usually, if you notice, in one house I have not stayed more than 1.5-2 years. Every 1.5-2 years I used to pack my bags and leave again and leave again and leave again, and that would mean home decoration series and house moving vlogs and stuff like that. जब मैंने घर खरीदा उससे पहले मैंने 3 घर चेंज किए हैं, तो आप लोग ने इतने घर मूव किए मेरे साथ, and that's something you all have found very exciting to do. And then when I was making this house, those vlogs had like 2 lakh plus views because you all were really enjoying the process of making a house with me. But now that this house is made and it's been 2 years in this house, we finally marked 2 years now in like July, August, we marked 2 years in this house. We are not moving, right? So we are not going to move again, and I'm like, my life is not getting exciting. In fact, it's getting very mundane. And now that I've decided to full-time scale my business and really like look at running a business like a business and not really look at content creation as my primary business, my gears in my head have completely changed. I now go to office regularly matlab 6 times a week I'm going to office, and things have really changed for the Sara you all know. Like, and now I'm going to become, I'm turning 28 next year. I'm 27 now, and my late 20s are about experimenting, taking risk. I'm really taking a big risk in saying that okay, content creation was great and everything, ye kiya maine life mein and I made money and I can still continue to make money as a creator, but let me take risk and experiment with all that money that I've made and put it behind this business and see if I can build something even bigger. So it's a risk I am taking with my life, but I feel like I'm in that age and in that place where I want to take that risk, because if I don't dream big today, I might regret it forever. And that's why you don't see much of me. I just want to say that I am trying my best. Okay, जितना मैं vlog डाल सकती हूँ, I try to post vlogs, but अगर कुछ exciting नहीं हो रहा है मेरी life में, तो मैं क्या ही डालूँ? Like today is just a regular Monday in my life, and आज मुझे लगा कि चलो I'll sit down, I'll go to office a little later and I'll talk to my community and catch up with you all and tell you all कि guys, why am I so absent on YouTube? It's not that I want to be, it's just that I don't have anything exciting to show you all. जब मैं कोरिया गई थी, I was posting vlogs back to back. If I travel, I'm going to give you all back to back vlogs the way I travel with Sar, like very exciting, detailed itineraries, etc. But if it's otherwise just office related stuff, so much exciting stuff is happening at Impulse too, but I'm not able to show you as much because I really want to keep it all for when the time comes. I'm like working on exciting products, international grade products, exciting formulations, been researching a lot for products. वो जब आएगा तो वो ऐसा एपिसोड एक मैं मूवी बना के दिखाती हूँ ना कि ऐसे था और फिर ऐसे किया और ऐसे किया, तब आपको दिखाऊंगी. Okay, so yeah, let's just get ready together. I know you all love my beauty recommendations and Nykaa की सेल भी चल रही है, तो there's one recommendation I really need you all to take from me, and that's this Thalbaz First Spray Serum. You can see that मैंने इसको अच्छी तरीके से यूज किया, so much so कि मेरी कैप भी गुम हो गई है. I just keep this over there on the bedside table. Every morning I wake up, मैं मुंह धोती हूँ और मस्त इसको generously spritz करती हूँ face पे. It's that glow without any heavy product. Like look at that. It's a lightweight, sheeny glow. Super hydrating. And this is for every single skin type. Because mine is literally almost over. I already got my backup. I've started using this also now. If you're a no makeup girly, just apply this like as if it's your moisturizer. बिना वो moisturizer में उंगली घुसाने ना आजकल मेरे को एक आता है, तो ये बस मैं स्प्रे करती हूँ और सनस्क्रीन लगा के I just leave the house. So that's the routine on a day-to-day basis. But if you're applying makeup also, makeup layers beautifully under this. You see that natural glow on my face? It's not that chipchipa kind of glow. There is actually no like heaviness on my face whatsoever. So this has white truffle, so you move it really nicely in the bottle. Give your bottle a nice shake and spritz, and then you take it and nicely spritz it on your face. Feels great, feels like water weight, but gives you a very healthy looking glow. After that, obviously apply your sunscreen nicely on your face. You can just apply lipstick and mascara, head out of the door. इसके बाद और कुछ लगाने की जरूरत नहीं है, but आज मेरा मेकअप करने का मन है. आज मैंने ऑफिस में बोल के आई हूँ कि मैं थोड़ा लेट आऊंगी, मैं अपने सब्सक्राइबर्स से बात करने वाली हूँ और फिर I'll head to office. Take all of this as a recommendation to shop during the Nykaa sale. Next is my PAC Studio HD concealer. You know I absolutely love this concealer. It conceals so nicely. मैं 320 deep use करती हूँ and for everyday basis या आप अगर एकदम मस्त शादी वगैरह में जा रहे हो, even then you will love it because it is very buildable. Full coverage. I only like full coverage concealers and it blends easily with your fingers, so you don't really need a makeup sponge or a makeup brush for this. And even if you want to apply it on full face and use it as a foundation, you can do that. The holy grail of all holy grails, if you want one product from Huda Beauty, it has to be the loose powder, okay? There is no loose powder apart from this. I don't even know how I was doing makeup without this, and I just buy the mini size. Look how cute this chotu sponge is. Abhi unhone packaging change kiya hai. This mini size is going to last you for 1.5 years easily. I do makeup like a lot more than the average Joe. I do makeup at least 3 to 4 times a week, and I use every day a little bit on the palm of my hand and then with this big sponge so that I can set as much of my face as possible with this. Makes it long wearing, makes the concealer crease proof. 100% recommend the Huda Beauty powder. Don't buy anything else from them, just buy this. All their makeup products are good, most of them, at least 80% though their makeup products are good. Buying the powder is definitely a must recommend, and chotu wala is only good enough for you. You don't need the big one. Take a loose brush also and I dust the remaining on the rest of my face. I try not to set like the high points of my cheek because I want a little bit of that glow, but बाकी मैं पूरा powder लगा देती हूँ अच्छी तरीके से, and जो भी है बचा हुआ will just make your makeup super long wearing. Getting all that powder out of the frame. Okay, now I'm gonna take my Thalba first spray one more time because I've powdered my full face. It's matte. I want just a hint of that glow to come back. So one spritz of this and you'll have that healthy looking glow without highlighter, chalkiness, nothing. Just a very fresh, my skin is naturally glowing kind of glow. It's non-comedogenic, so you don't have to worry about your pores getting clogged or you getting acne because of this. It's literally skincare, and because of this, makeup looks like one with the skin super flawless. Look at that. Can you tell that I've applied concealer and powder? Because of this, it just evens out everything. Okay, for blush I'm going to use Huda Beauty again. I'm going to use the shade Latte. This is like a bronzer, so isko blush and bronzer दोनों की जगह पे मैं लगाती हूँ. I go ham with this. I really like some color on my cheeks. वो लगाने से सब बीमार नहीं लगता. So just blending this out with a brush. You can blend it with your fingers also. That's okay. Very pigmented and super natural again. And blend it all the way into your temple so it gives you that shape and the color to your face. Look at that. Lifted and color आ जाता है face पे. So go all extra. An affordable blush I would recommend which has a creamy texture. It has to be Mars or Fay Beauty. These two are also really great recommendations that you can see के sale पे कितने के मिल रहे हैं and then buy according to your preference. Okay. Super. Expensive but worth it is the Benefit Brow Pencil. This is precisely my brow from Benefit in the shade 4.5. I love drawing my hair strokes with this. मेरे जितने भी bald patches हैं ना eyebrows में, उस सब में I can draw some hair and really like fill in my brows. And then on the other side we've got a spoolie so we can just brush hair in place. My long wear everyday lip combo is this right here. Nobody would guess it. It's the Benefit Black Cherry tint. Okay, I love this tint so much. It's super long wear. Remove the lip balm from my lips, जो भी रहेगा, and then just in itself, it's such a nice pretty color. You can just wear this. I have not been able to dupe this for y'all, but this color we don't have in any other brand, so have to recommend this for y'all. And then just to neutralize it a little bit, I'll use the Get Therapy lipstick from Flossy Cosmetics in the shade Brainwash over here in the center. That's it. This is my everyday nude lip, and nobody can, like, everyone is like, what do you wear to office? And I'm like, I can't tell you all. It's like a combo, and the way I do it is very important, that I don't put this all over my lips, warna wash out karega. So I just put it in the center and it's so muted and professional and so nice. Because of the lip stain, your lip combo is going to be super long wearing. Lastly, mascara. Okay, it's gonna rain. I'm sorry, it's getting darker. बहुत बारिश होने वाली है. I'm using the Clinique High Impact Mascara. I love this one. This must be also on a good discount for this sale. It is a very long wear mascara that doesn't flake, doesn't fall off, gives you insane volume. If you want affordable mascaras, you know where to go. Maybelline makes amazing affordable mascaras. So go buy Maybelline Colossal Bubble or Maybelline. The new one, the Sky High Tubes, that's also amazing. It comes out as a tube and it's super good for everyday office wear. All done. One last time I'm gonna spray the Thalba spray just to lock everything in place and keep my skin breathing all day. The best part about this is that the makeup is long wearing without it looking patchy or super powdery, and it's dermatologist tested, so it works across skin types. Even if you want body glow, you can apply this when you're wearing like off-shoulder dresses instead of highlighter. Now I use this all the time on my body too, and during the Nykaa sale from 16 to 29 July, you'll get this at a great discount plus all the products I've just mentioned. So I'm going to leave all the links for y'all in the description box. Check it out and let's go to office. Anything between 35 to 40 days I want to catch worst case scenario right now.
Just like कल अपन ने जो भी discuss किया, I've just put everything according to what we discussed.
लैब टेस्टिंग के लिए मैं सैंपल मंगवाई हूँ, लैब टेस्टिंग में भेज रही हूँ. 28 जुलाई तक लैब टेस्ट मिल जाएगा. That will mean our final nutritional table, how much calories, how much whatever carb content, protein, etc.
One eternity later.
Y'all cannot have a health walk.
No, it's not even us.
No, see, did I
Like,
did I
it's
take
literally
anything?
Reet. Yesterday when he was saying don't go to food stories, but he's literally the one who loves snacks.
Please, I got 3 things.
We've come out for a walk, and I wanted it to be a health walk where I get my steps in, and these guys are just
what
non-stop.
is unhealthy about fresh watermelon juice?
At 10 o'clock, it can cause a glycemic index spike. This ectomorph would never know.
Yeah.
Both of these ectomorphs,
I'm drinking orange and pineapple.
no, sweet lime and pineapple.
No,
This is orange.
orange and pineapple.
That's why it's so tangy.
Yeah, high in vitamin C. Oh my god! And then this lady, she was like
Mally waxed his chest today.
for the first time, and she was like, drink lots of. She's like, is this for a shoot? And I was like, no. She was like, why did you do this? Did your girlfriend ask you to do this? And I was like, no. And then she was like, drink lots of water so your skin will glow even more. And I was like, you're right, I don't drink enough water. So she was speaking the whole time. But she said it's to distract me. But I think she just wanted to talk to me, which is fine.
When there's an occasion, Mali, we always get our cakes from here.
Oh, I thought you were going to say we'll always get waxed.
Even I thought that when there's an occasion, we'll always get waxed. This Reet doesn't stop shopping only, guys. Only one thing you're going to buy, huh?
The next day.
Good morning. It is shoot day today, and that means madness in my house. Everyone is helter-skelter running here and there, finishing so much of shoot organization because we use multiple backdrops. So every backdrop has to be clean and pristine. And look at my skin. Nazar nahi lagana. But this is my natural skin glowing. I have totally cut down sugar in the last 2 weeks. I was eating a lot of sugar before 2 weeks also. I was stress eating. I was eating like cakes and stuff. And मेरा तभी acne हो रहा था. And जैसे ही मैंने sugar बंद किया है, skin एकदम clear हो गई. Sugar is such a demon. Oh my god, you guys, especially if you have PCOS or any symptom actually. You know, Mally eats so much sugar. He's like, मुझे कुछ नहीं होता. He has intense hair fall. So anything that is going wrong in your body, just try stopping sugar because extra sugar piles up in the blood and then causes acne, hair fall, body weight, all of it. So, yeah. There is no scientific evidence proving that coffee gives you acne. In fact,
Many hours later.
favorite thing to watch is my vlogs in the night. He literally comes home and he's like, did you post it yet? Did you post the vlog? Did you post it yet?
So fun to watch.
Yeah.
Let's continue now.
We are watching vlog
Our
and
Goa trip.
Yes.
It was so much fun. So now we can have more fun by watching it again.
Relive it. Yes. Yeah, this is Reed's food. What is this? Quesadilla? Kal raat ka? Chili cheese?
No, are you mad or what?
Try the chili cheese. It's so good. Maybe we need another food stories trip, Mali.
Yeah.
Are you guys, you?
We could have vlogged our food story.
Yeah, we didn't vlog our food stories.
It's a disaster to keep both of them in the house. घर की पूरी तिजोरी खाली हो जाएगी ये दोनों को रखा तो.
Oh, did we tell y'all? Now Mali is gonna stay in the Sarah Squad home
In the studio room. There's gonna be a special corner.
for just Mali. Yes. There are plans. We have big plans.
Yes.
Mali is our board game partner.
Yeah. Let's go to food stories and do a family grocery trip.
Shut up. Both of
Can
you
we take
shut
fudge
up.
also?
No, both
No,
of
he's
you
not
shut up. Okay. They went for a 10 minutes walk. Guess कितना खर्च करके आए वो लोग उधर.
Mali ने 2000 के grapes लिए.
It was 1,000. It was not.
It was 2000. I have to
ये
eat those
दोनों
plums.
anywhere in any shopping this both of them are a disaster. 12,000 रुपए फूक के आए ये लोग और
और-
क्या लिया और क्या लिया मैं
You also
मैं
took.
बताता हूँ.
He also took. stuff.
I took an iced tea 60 rupees का. I took a mogo
kept a counter.
60 rupees का and a Lindt chocolate 150 rupees का. That is all मेरा bill. ठीक है and theirs. I'll tell you. क्या क्या लिया 12,000 रुपए कहाँ पे उड़ाए. Grapes लिया. ठीक है.
Healthy stuff, guys. We are on our fitness journey.
shut up.
As a family, we are all on a fit
Shut up,
journey.
We're gonna be so sexy. So
Shut up.
food is the first step to sexy.
इधर and then plum जो मेघालय में सीधा सीधी तो तुमको पेड़ से निकाल के दे
मैं मेघालय में रहती हूँ.
वो
You should have brought in cum. ना?
Exactly. Look at him.
वो प्लम भी लिया. ठीक है. देन रागी बिस्किट्स. ठीक है. मैक एंड चीज. ठीक है. some types of cheese. I don't know क्या क्या
Chili cheese organic.
चिली चीज ऑर्गेनिक सम चिली और ये सब चटर पटर खरीदा है कुछ मतलब कुछ
This is all healthy stuff, guys.
12,000.
Mali, please defend yourself.
ये दोनों are you
We still have so much left.
and
We barely.
the
eaten
only
anything.
reason they stopped at 12 is because मैं आया था
What? No.
That's
They
the
had
reason.
self-control.
No,
They had self-control.
you shut up. Self control.
But actually, I
Why
want to try
did
their
you-
matcha. Let's try their matcha.
Why did you buy the mac and cheese? That's not healthy.
No, so he hasn't had mac and cheese. He said he wants to try.
I've tried the Cheetos wala. What are you saying? You have mac
What
and
is
cheese खाया है मैंने. He compares everything to USD and he's like, oh, that's so cheap. मैं बोल रहा अबे ये इंडिया है.
Yeah, this is just $2, and I'm like, तू तो ना रुपीस में कमा रहा है ना डॉलर में. खर्चा तो सोच समझ के कर भाई. Yeah, तो
Because if you want to convert dollars to rupees, no rupees to dollars, you just cut the 2 zeros. So 30,000 is
$3. No,
No.
30.
$30. So that's quite cheap.
$3 is expensive. I'll slap you. 1,000 is not. It's
30,000.
$300. It's 300.
No.
It's 300.
Yeah.
It's 300.
Oh.
30,000.
Guys, for finance tips, come to me. I will solve all your finance issues.
I did bicep day and tricep day.
These
मुझे
two were
पकड़ना.
about to go to IKEA. Imagine the damage जो हो.
I mean, if we have a new house member, we need new furniture for him, right?
Yes.
Oh God.
Yeah.
So we are going to go to Crate and Barrel. And
When you start earning, bitch, not on my account. The plan is we have purchased a bed for Mali.
to sleep.
Yes, because this gadda situation is not working out, and these gaddas are also super old.
This is really good if you wax your body and then have pains.
Yeah, Mali waxed his chest, and he had redness. I
You will
put
not
that.
see.
All his redness. I
All
put
my
that.
redness.
And that too, he did it under the pressure of the parlor lady. The parlor lady bullied him into doing it.
No, first, because I was just gonna get my eyebrows threaded. Then she was like, how about waxing your eyebrows? And I was like, no, I don't want to wax my eyebrows, but I do want to wax my body. So,
And then what? She started getting very personal with Mali.
yeah, she kept being like, did your girlfriend ask you to do this? And I was like, yes, my girlfriend. Guys, I have a girlfriend, by the way. Don't DM me. A lot of you guys are DMing me. Yeah. So don't DM me.
What is your ID? You have to tell them.
No, they
They
know. I
know.
tag him.
They're all stalkers who can use Google.
Okay, so we've got Mali a bed, and now we need to clean the studio room to make space for that bed that will come on Sunday.
We need to make space in our minds, in our hearts, in our lives. Guys, I'm on a spiritual journey. That's why I'm come to India.
Get out.
Why?
Yeah.
What you said was so racist.
I was watching the movie Eat, Pray, Love.
Yeah,
and I
of
was
course.
so
Typical American ये.
So by the way, this walking pad stopped working, and मैंने Amazon में complain की इसकी क्योंकि मैंने Amazon से मंगाई थी, and they gave me a refund 6 महीना later because 1 साल की वारंटी थी. They did not have parts to replace it, so they gave me a refund on this. सत्यम भंगार वाले को अरेंज करके इसको निकलवा दो क्योंकि ये नहीं चलने वाला है. हाँ यस प्लीज, इसका जितना भी देता है ले लो, तो इधर जगह हो जाएगी क्योंकि मैली के लिए जो बेड आ रहा है वो इधर जाएगा, फिर तो थोड़ा टेबल इधर करना पड़ेगा, और फिर वो तो इधर बिस्तर आ जाएगा उसका. और फिर गद्दा जो है वो वाले अंदर डाल के नया गद्दा खरीदेंगे क्योंकि वो गद्दे भी मेरे को फेंकने के, बट भैया बोल रहे नहीं फेंकने. जानो फेंक देंगे क्या ये गद्दे? ये भी भंगार में दे देंगे? नहीं
क्यों देने हैं बाबा? लोग आएंगे तो काम आएगा ना. Otherwise, when people come, then we don't have anything to give them.
गिव मतलब फूड वी फीड देम.
Just put mat now.
No, but
Mat and bed sheet.
नहीं.
इनको साफ कैसे करेंगे सत्यम? ये सॉडस्ट निकलना चाहिए हर बार. सॉडस्ट
The only way to clean it is बाहर ऐसे लटकाओ जैसे हम असम में नॉल में करते हुए where we have a lawn. तो
Look at that flex. Look at that flex of this गाँव वाला.
जहाँ
Assam में we have a lawn.
Mud Island also we have
Yeah.
a lawn.
Mud Island also we have a lawn.
which is infested with rats and frogs.
So is your lawn.
No, it isn't.
You also have animals in your farm. Yes.
Yeah,
These
so
are
rats
mummies-
नहीं है.
These are mummy's animals. Don't make fun of them. She chooses her own animals.
You ran
She
away
chose.
from that.
She didn't choose you though. You came.
I ran away from that.
Look at him defending Mud Island when he literally ran away from there.
Truly. Mali could not Mud Island anymore. Mali was like, this house
Yes,
has
yes,
rats.
eat.
He didn't sleep one full night because there was a rat in the room, and Nani slept and
She literally 5 minutes before bed, she was like, "Oh, I just saw a rat go there," and I was like, "Oh, like this is normal." And she was like, "Oh, it was just the baby," and I was like, "Where the fuck did it come from? We need rat traps." And then I was literally in bed all night, like not even like laid down. I was like this. It was like any noise I would hear throughout the night, I was like waking up, and I didn't even sleep. And it was 6 a.m. and then I finally fell asleep in the daytime because there was light and rats are scared of light. But also I feel like because like mosquitoes are attracted to me because like maybe I have a sweet scent, so that's why rats would be attracted to me. Rats are attracted to sugar and stuff, so then they would come bite me while I'm sleeping, and I'm so scared of like, imagine like when I wake up I just don't have a piece of my body. Have you seen their
No,
faces?
his imagination runs wild.
But have you seen them? They can be this big.
Yeah,
And their mouths and their eyes.
Yeah, in Mumbai footpath, this big they roam like anything.
Yeah, but that's like the New York rats. They are so big also, you saw, right? And then, but to be in the house is a different thing.
Other animals, and she wants them to be there, these pests, so that it's like a coexisting ecosystem in Mud Island. Yes, it's a circle of life. And Mali is clearly a New Yorker. He's like, this is not okay, Nana. This is like this. Mummy, do this, mummy. And Nana's just like, मैं 75 साल से जैसे जी रही हूँ, मुझे जीने दे, निकल जाए यहाँ से. So that's why this creature is like to coexist as a family together. This is the ecosystem that is working, where we do the youth house over here.
The youth house. Where like those LA homes, you know, where they have all those content creators living together.
Who's the content creator? You're only Ritan, hai?
Yeah, we're supporting, me and Facha supporting
Yeah.
this.
Say hi to the vlog. You didn't say hi in this vlog. Who is this? Gur Baba. Gur Baba. Gur Baba.
This is gonna be the youth house because we're gonna have a baby soon, and
Whose baby?
I don't know.
No, getting that idea, no.
So, if there are any brands that make cribs or anything like that, send us over. And yeah, we're super excited. to have you on this journey.
The only children Reet and I have are all these hopeless people who come to our house. Fajju to yeah, Fajju's our child.
Fajju is the baby, no? Fajju is the baby, no? Fajju is the baby, no?
Fajju is the only baby we agree to have on. No, Babu? Show no baby.
And I was left on their doorstep. I'm like Harry Potter basically.
He didn't just say that. He didn't just say. You know what they did to Harry Potter, though? We don't have stairs to leave you under the stairs.
Later that same evening.
Time to declutter the studio room to make space for Malzu. These are all new makeup products which I have, which I genuinely don't need anymore because how much makeup can I use? Just gonna give it to one of you guys, like the Mars Click Lipstick, then Mars Lip Glosses, liquid lipsticks, Elf liquid highlighter, because I have so many products. I can give in the vlog, I can give in the broadcast, I can give on my Instagram. I'm gonna do a massive giveaway this time because I haven't done one in a really long time. I have the Inside Cosmetics Cushion Concealer, 2 of the Pilgrim sunscreens, Maybelline Compact in this shade which doesn't suit me. Then I've got Nykaa Stardust eyeliners. These are so good. I have so many because they send me multiple packages. And similar thing from Swiss Beauty also, the holographic eyeliner. I have them both. So I keep like newer makeup products in this drawer over here to try it out. And once I'm done trying, I don't give used stuff of course, but whatever I have tried is not worked. Mars lip and cheek tints. I don't even come to know when half of this makeup comes out, genuinely. Like this Love Child lip gelato was all the rage and I had no idea I had it with me. This is such a pretty color. Like abhi agar main trying new makeup mein bhi dalungi, it's not going to do well because it's already been a while, so I'm just gonna keep it here. To use, we have lipsticks from Ruby's Organics. Genuinely gonna do a massive giveaway. My favorite L'Oreal Absolute Repair Hair Mask. I have so many of these. I'm just gonna put giveaway was not here. Giveaway is here. I have so many products to give away. Fudge is also inspecting everything for your giveaway, right? He is. I've got so many Maybelline Fit Me Spot Rescue concealers which I love, and I already have my shade. The brand sends me all the shades before a shoot, so I'm gonna put those. I'm gonna put this Pilgrim's new serum. I'm not gonna put Fudgy in giveaway. He's too precious. He's too precious. Throw those boarding passes, I don't collect. It's okay.
Business class.
Acha.
This is a business.
This is my can ka boarding pass. Yeah, that I collected.
Keep no.
But it fades like the whole
Yeah, it's faded. Forget it.
won't be able to tell.
Yeah, I have my vlogs for memory. Throw it.
This is why do you have my boarding pass?
And these are
I
cards.
keep Kazakh, I think it is.
Like no, this is Singapore Airlines.
Acha.
So what all you want me to keep? What all you want me to throw?
I think throw the boarding passes, they fade. So that cupboard is now,
This
it's
is full of
organized.
bills.
Yeah, that's all
Everything.
documents,
This is now
finance.
empty.
You can keep your stuff there now.
Amazing.
Don't keep it over there in the arch. Keep it in the drawers.
Yeah,
Unless
so it
you...
won't get mixed up.
Huh. No, my stuff is not there, but just for you to
No,
like
but
use
sometimes
it.
the Satyam keeps putting like all the pouches and all. So
These
when
are all now my trying new makeups that I still need to shoot is here, which is actually new. This is usually stuff that comes for brand collabs is here. Right now I just have Indulekha's collab, so that's there. I just finished Maybelline's Shine Stopper. Yeah, I finished that collab last month. So I'm now gonna put this to use. Yeah, this is such a good primer by the way. Shine Stopper. Give that K-Beauty stuff. I was looking for it for so long. We came back from Singapore. I used it in Singapore. It's a very good tinted moisturizer. These are all Nykaa sale recos also, huh, guys. If you all want a good tinted moisturizer, foundation quality. If you have Dot & Key budget, try Dot & Key. But if you have more budget, then try K-Beauty. This is also overflowing. I will figure this out. This is mine only. This is my Korean skincare.
This also takes shaving gel.
That is for the bathroom. This is where I've put my Korean shopping. जो भी excess मैंने shopping की थी वो. Faye Beauty perfumes. These are not long wearing.
Oh,
But they are
this
nice
is
for
nice.
like
This is
travel.
body
So we can just keep them here. Yeah,
Oh, it
that's
smells so good.
yeah, that smells so good, right? The plum bottle. I gave him just now, yeah. That's for Mally only. Keep it. Razor and gel goes in the bathroom. Keep things here. I even have a brand new Nexus. Babe, can you just remove those new products? I'll take a video and put on my broadcast for a giveaway on Instagram. थोड़े से सजा दो ना तो मैं वीडियो ले लूँ. 10-15 प्रोडक्ट्स निकालो खाली. This Agaro thing stopped working अपने आप. ये मैंने पेडिक्योर के लिए मंगाया था. एक बार यूज किया और खराब हो गया. बकवास.
2 days later.
It's 11:30 on a Friday night and 11:30 is our movie and look at them both behaving. They're like मैं ड्राइवर हूँ तुम्हारी. हाँ दोनों को आता नहीं है गाड़ी चलाना. मेरे को छोड़ दिया है. 9 बजे तो ऑफिस से आई हूँ और अभी हम मूवी जा रहे हैं ऑडिसी 11:30 बजे रात के. Friday night, lit Friday night plans guys. The movie was so good. Oh my god. I am not.
guys would have in loco.
Please, okay, you've not watched Oppenheimer. I love Christopher Nolan movies. I've watched all of them. You know, Interstellar, you watched?
Yeah.
It's 2:51 a.m. My watch doesn't want to show you, but it is 3 o'clock. We are the last people to leave the theater at 3 o'clock in the night.
Told you it's a long one.
Yeah, it was a 3-hour movie. It was super uncomfortable because it was 4D and the seats were moving and I wanted...
The seats were like this wide.
Yeah,
And
I
ass
just
is
my
not
back
fit.
is hurting because of it because I just wanted to be in a comfortable recliner and watch this long movie. Though the movie was like thrilling, but my back is gone. The end was so good.
Whoever is in the Odyssey, it'll be very easy for them to understand. Even if you watch something as basic
Even
as
if you
a
don't
Percy
know.
Jackson.
Even if you don't know Greek mythology, you can Google. During the movie, I was asking ChatGPT,
I didn't know
who is
anything.
what?
I didn't Google anything. I didn't know anything, and it was still like a great one. Like if you just pay attention and watch the movie,
Yeah.
that's good.
Because it was Christopher Nolan, I came blindly because I know he knows how to like direct a movie brilliantly for anyone to
That lady who
understand.
sculpted the animals, like people into animals, was so cool. That was such a cool
Yeah, that was-
concept.
They didn't show a few aspects in the movie. First
You
is
read the book?
yeah. So first is they also encountered a tribe of cannibals that they didn't show.
I think that big monster is cannibal only, no? He
Wait,
ate
do you
the
know about
humans.
this tribe in India? They are monks, but they eat people.
A lot of people eat people.
Let's not get there, but yeah, they face a tribe of cannibals, and they also go to the lair of lotus eaters. But lotus eating was shown in Calypso's part, but they also
Who is Calypso?
Calypso was the
I know
lotus
who she
eater,
was,
na?
but
She was on the beach.
like, how does she have one whole island to herself? And is she like the
said-
goddess, or she's just a...
She's not a goddess. The gods tell her to let Odyssey go. Odysseus go. All the mall is shut, of course.
needed to go to the salon and spa.
Oh my god. Sit here and अभी आएंगे और लोग खोलने को.
The next day.
Good morning. Saturday, but a super social business Saturday, like a very mix of both worlds kind of thing. Mally actually हम रात को पिक्चर देखने गए थे. हम घर पे 3:30 बजे आए, 4 बजे सोने गए और Mally 8 बजे उठ के काला घोड़ा गया है for some art exhibition that he wanted to attend. So dedication pro max. I woke up this morning and had a meeting which I was super excited to take. So I took a shower and took that meeting. I'm also getting dressed to go meet a friend in Varli, and then that's also like a business friend. And then in the night, I am meeting another candidate over dinner. So it's more of a business socializing kind of a weekend. Tomorrow will be more chill. Tomorrow we'll just be like resting at home. But आज मैं पूरा दिन बाहर जा रही हूँ, so I'm thinking I won't apply makeup because my skin is really skinning with all the good food and the good skincare that I've been using and doing.
One eternity later.
आँखों का बाल थोड़ा कटिंग करो उसका, ठीक है? I just traumatized. He hates bath, but Pradeep is amazing. And we are Sunday playing games. That's what we do all the time.
IKEA.
Who is that?
This is when we went with Sam to IKEA. Yes, for his house. And now Mally is getting a bed.
Yes,
From IKEA.
But we didn't go.
Look how we were twinning.
Yeah, Reet and I always twin.
That's so cute.
So we are playing Splendor. It's one of my favorite strategic games, and Mally sucks at it. Is it my turn?
Oh my god, guys, yesterday it's not film, but I won in Cluedo. Just so you know.
You just got lucky.
Oh, when I'm lucky. When you are so very smart.
You got lucky. You got a bigger number.
No, I
You
use
put-
strategy
you
and I
put-
put you in the
me-
room, so that's called strategizing. Yeah, it's not called luck.
What's the time? I have to pray namaz. It's Sunday. I'll pray
It's
and then
one.
I'll go to the gym.
1-7.
It's 1. Look at my skin during the ovulation phase. Like so glowy.
Chalo, hey, your turn, Baba.
No pimple. Yes, my turn. What should I pick? What should I pick? Take 1 red, 1 black, and 1 blue.
Guys, the bag has arrived. I carried it all the way from India.
What rubbish liar. It went to my office by mistake and Satyam got it from office. Chal, open.
In
Assemble
the
it.
room or here?
Yeah, assemble in the room only directly.
Yeah.
Did we give away the treadmill?
Yeah.
Yeah, the treadmill's gone. Wow, there's so much space in the room. He's gonna go again. Fudge is having his blast dry moment. Final touches. Show your face. Cuts are not done. आँखों का बाल थोड़ा cutting कर दो. Hold the feeling. Don't lose any screw and all, huh?
Yeah.
We anyways don't open this cupboard very often, so you can take it thoda idhar.
A few moments later.
Mama has become the family barber. Last week she was cutting Mala's hair, then Dada's hair, then Fudgy's hair. Mama's grooming is done by whom? Who will do Mama's haircut? Fudgy will do Mama's haircut. Fudgy, you're looking so handsome now with your nice haircut. He did not cut the face properly and I didn't check. मैंने उसको बोली थी सर का काट ले, उसने आँख का काट दिया.
And gave him like a punk bag.
Yeah, he had so many bangs and the bangs were going in his eyes. Chal, okay. Show me now. Now it's not going, no? Eyes mein. Chal, okay, done. Good boy. Good boy. Mama's boy. Mama's boy, mama's boy. Okay, you all always want to see what I eat in my meals, so I'm showing you. I'm back in my like healthy eating era. So this is a quinoa chicken pulao. So it has protein, carbs, but healthy carbs. Lots of fiber with baby corn, broccoli, ratalu, seeds, pomegranate. This is a cold salad, a warm salad, and 2 chicken breasts because I just lifted heavy in the gym. Like मैंने नाश्ता नहीं किया आज सुबह क्योंकि मैं लेट उठी थी तो एक ही अंडा ब्रेड खा के निकली, वरना मैं 4 अंडे खाती हूँ सुबह. तो since that protein was less, I am doubling up on the protein now.